Today, we craft the black and pink Gothic kilt with a detachable apron. The manufacturing process begins with gathering essential materials, including fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, a ruler, leather straps, nylon straps, and rust-free hardware. The first step is selecting the black and pink fabric. Next, the pink fabric is cut to create the front apron. 3 small nylon straps are then prepared and attached with buttons at both corners of the apron. We then measure and cut the fabric according to the customer's required length and width to form the body of the kilt. Once the main piece is ready, we proceed to pleat the panels. This involves marking and pinning the pleats, followed by stitching across the top to secure them in place. Finally, we cut and attach pockets to both sides of the kilt, completing the design.